All right, hey there, viewers. So, quick video here. This affects, well, I guess all the new hybrids that's coming out. But this one's a 2020 Honda Accord hybrid. This customer's complaint is a humming noise, somewhere around 70 to 80 kilometers an hour, or 60 miles an hour for you guys in the U.S. So this is the common complaint. It's not tire noise. It's because it's a hybrid, and these things are supposed to be quiet, right? So just like your headphones and everything, they have active noise cancellation. Your Honda Accord hybrids and your Civic hybrids, your CRV hybrids, just because they don't make much noise, and people complain about how they hear everything in the car. But these things have active noise cancellation, and the fix for the humming noise while going around that speed is this thing right here. It's the Active Noise Cancellation Module, or ANC for short. To replace it, it lives above the glove box here. So yeah, you just got to remove the whole entire glove box. This trim piece just comes right out, right? Yeah, like this guy, it just pops right out. And then you just remove the screws for this glove box, and this whole glove box pops out. So let me go ahead and remove this, and I'll show you where it lies. All right, so glove box is out. So that humming noise is actually coming from the speakers, but you might think it's coming from, or I don't know, if you go to a shop and they'll be like, oh yeah, it's just tire noise. I think otherwise. It's not tire noise. It's just the humming from the speakers, because it's the module itself fails, and you have no more active noise cancellation, and it makes that humming noise, and that's what that is. But to determine if it is this, you can actually unplug it. It won't set any lights or any codes or anything, but you will just hear more engine noise and more road noise, but the humming noise should go away, and that's how you figure that it's this module right here. So it's pretty simple to remove. You can actually, if you wanted to unplug it with the glove box in, you can actually reach it and come around and then just unplug it right here. But other than that, it's just two bolts holding it in here, and that's all that is. So you can always just unplug it. How to determine if it's this module? We just unplug it, take it for a drive, and then if that humming noise is gone, then yeah, it's most likely this thing. So yeah, pretty simple to replace. Also, if you're on your your new Civic hybrids and all that stuff, they also have this active noise cancellation module. You can disconnect it, and then you can hear more engine noise if you're more spirited driving with your Civic hybrids. So yeah, pretty simple to replace. So just a quick video for you guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Check out the link down below for my Amazon affiliate store, and then if you click on it and buy something, I get something out of it. But other than that, I'll see you in the next video.